Welcome to the Tailor Law Podcast. I'm your host, Deepa Taylor. Today we're diving into a crucial topic for couples planning to tie the knot: prenuptial agreements in Ontario. Whether you're getting married for the first time or entering a second marriage, understanding how a prenup works can protect your assets and provide peace of mind. I'm here to guide you through everything you need to know about prenuptial agreements, what they are, why they're important, and how they can be customized to suit your unique situation. A prenuptial agreement, often referred to as a marriage contract in Ontario, is a legal document signed before marriage that outlines how property, assets, and debts will be divided if the marriage ends in separation or divorce. It can also address spousal support and how specific assets, like family businesses or inheritances, will be handled. While it may seem unromantic, a prenup is a practical tool that fosters open communication and helps prevent conflicts down the road. In Ontario, the Family Law Act governs marriage contracts. This legislation allows couples to make decisions about property division and spousal support, but it doesn't permit agreements that dictate child custody or child support arrangements. Those issues must always be determined in the child's best interests at the time of separation. Understanding these legal boundaries is essential when drafting a prenup. So, who should consider a prenuptial agreement? The answer is simple: anyone who wants to protect their assets, safeguard family inheritances, or outline financial responsibilities within the marriage. Entrepreneurs, individuals with significant savings, and those entering second marriages or blending families often find prenups particularly beneficial. Creating a valid prenup in Ontario involves several key steps. First, both parties must voluntarily enter the agreement without pressure or coercion. Second, full financial disclosure is mandatory. Both parties need to be transparent about their assets and debts. Third, each person should seek independent legal advice to ensure fairness and understanding of the contract's terms. Without these safeguards, a prenup could be challenged and potentially set aside in court. Let's explore some common provisions in Ontario prenuptial agreements. These contracts often specify how the matrimonial home will be handled, especially since the Family Law Act provides special protections for it. A prenup can clarify whether a family cottage or inherited property remains with the original owner or becomes a shared asset. Additionally, business owners might include clauses to protect their enterprise from division during a divorce. However, not all clauses are enforceable. Provisions that attempt to waive child support or dictate custody arrangements are invalid. Also, any terms that are considered unconscionable or grossly unfair could be struck down by the courts. This is why working with a qualified family lawyer is crucial when drafting a prenup, to ensure the contract is legally sound and enforceable. It's also important to note that circumstances change over time. A prenup can include review clauses, allowing couples to revisit and revise the agreement as life evolves, for example, after having children or starting a business. This flexibility ensures the agreement remains fair and reflective of the couple's current situation. Many people worry that bringing up a prenuptial agreement might damage their relationship, but in reality, it can strengthen it. Discussing finances, expectations, and future plans openly can build trust and understanding. It's about protecting both partners and ensuring that each person's interests are respected. If you're considering a prenuptial agreement, start the conversation early. Rushing to sign a contract right before the wedding can raise concerns about coercion. Giving yourselves time to discuss, negotiate, and seek legal advice leads to a more thoughtful and enforceable agreement. At Tailor Law, we understand that every relationship is unique. Our experienced family lawyers can guide you through the process of creating a prenuptial agreement tailored to your specific needs. We ensure that your rights are protected and that the contract reflects your intentions. Thank you for joining me on this episode of the Tailor Law Podcast. If you're interested in learning more about prenuptial agreements or need legal guidance in family law matters, visit us at tailorlaw.com. Our team is here to provide compassionate and comprehensive legal support. Until next time, take care and remember, proactive planning today can protect your future tomorrow.